Do.
Overture, cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights.
No more rehearsing and nursing of parts.
We know every part by heart. Overture,
Cut the lights.
this is it.
We'll hit the heights.
And oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Tonight, what
Heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it.
Oh, that was really good, you guys. And welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And we have a very special guest here today. I mean, I guess you're here every day, but you don't, you know. Ikadon BOOZHOO Wabuz.
Hey, yeah, hello everybody. How you doing? It's very nice to be on your show today, boss.
Yeah, so you did a nice job singing there. And I just want to welcome you back to the podcast. Did I say this already? The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Since it's Wednesday, it's Aabitoose. Aabitoose, Wednesday. Aabitoose in Ojibwe means Wednesday. Aabitoose, Aabitoose, Aabitoose. Hey. And yeah, so Wednesday. Oh, and in our way, in the Ojibwe language, it actually means halfway. Halfway. Aabitoose, that's what we considered Wednesday. It was like halfway through the work week. So yeah, I hope you enjoy your halfway. I hope you halfway like your day. Aabitoose, Wednesday in Ojibwe. Aabitoose. Those were the days, my friend, we thought it'd never end. Wednesday was Aabitoose. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about, oh, well, hold on. I got one more thing. Click over on the link. We have a new album of songs called Songs from the Podcast. Songs from the BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO podcast. And for you kids who don't know what this is a CD. This came after the cassette and the records and the 8-track. Before there was an internet, you actually had to buy your music. But hey, Songs from the Podcast is available on the YouTube channel. So click over if you want to hear some songs that were recently on the podcast. All right, so that's all I have for today. I'm going to say, Giga waba min, minawa. I will see you again. Hoa. Yeah, short but sweet. Eh.